So this is program in which function is included. So main, which is compulsory in every program. Now message. So message is a function. Now printf and cry and you stop the monotony. So message function includes this message that cry and you stop the monotony. Now there is another function which is message printf and smile and world smiles with you. So that means this is another message. So message function has two different messages. Now we will see output, how it is giving output. Output is smile and world smiles with you, cry and stop the monotony. So this is output. So here the first printf statement was printed and then second printf statement was printed. Here main itself is a function and through it we are calling the function message. So main itself is a function and through that main we are calling message. What do we mean when we say that main calls the function message? We mean that the control passes to function message. So we are meaning that control passes to function message. When the message function runs out of statements to execute, the control returns to main. So when message runs out of statements to execute, control returns to main. So that means main is a compulsory function and message, when message function runs out of statements, that means when these two statements were printed and then it returns to main, because these two statements were printed, now it is returning to main. Thus main becomes the calling function whereas message becomes the called function. So main becomes calling and message becomes called function. If you have grasped the concept of calling a function, you are prepared for a call to more than one function. So if you are grasped the concept of calling a function, you are prepared to call more than one function. So consider this example. So we can call more than one function also. So message was one function, so we can call more than that also. Now main, so this is compulsory in every program. Printf /n I am in main. So we are telling user to printf that I am in main. Now Italy, Brazil, Argentina. So Italy, Brazil, Argentina are three functions which we have introduced now. Now we will see how they are working. So first function is Italy, printf n/n I am in Italy. Then Brazil, printf /I am in Brazil. Argentina, printf /I am in Argentina. So let us see output of this program. So output is first I am in main, then I am in Italy, I am in Brazil and I am in Argentina. From this program, a number of conclusions can be drawn. First is any C program contains at least one function. If a program contains only one function, it must be main. So one function, at least one function is compulsory. So if a program contains only one function, it must be main. Now, if a C program contains more than one function, then one and only one of these functions must be main, because program execution always begins with main. So if a C program contains more than one function, then these functions must be main, because program execution always begins with main. There is no limit on number of functions that might be present in C program. Each function in a program is called in a sequence specified by functions calls in main. So each function in a program is called in a sequence specified by function calls in main. After each function has done its thing, control returns main. When main runs out of the function calls, the program ends. So after each function has done its thing, control returns to main. As we have noted earlier, the program execution always begins with main. So main is a compulsory function, and each C program can have different functions. That means there is no limit on number of functions that can be put in the that can be placed or written in a program.